5 morning detox drinks that flush toxins and boost energy. Every morning, your body is either storing toxins or flushing them out. The choice is yours. Today, let's discover 5 simple detox drinks you can enjoy in the morning to boost energy and keep your body clean. First, warm lemon water with honey. It's the classic morning detox drink, hydrating, rich in vitamin C. Binge is great for your liver. Sip it before breakfast for a gentle cleanse. Second, coconut water, naturally refreshing and full of electrolytes. It restores hydration and flushes toxins from your kidneys. Third, green tea, loaded with antioxidants. It boosts metabolism, protects your cells, and helps your body burn fat naturally. Fourth, aloe vera juice. It soothes your stomach, reduces inflammation, and supports digestion. And fifth, apple with ginger. This drink fights harmful bacteria in your gut, reduces bloating, and strengthens your immune system. Enjoy any of these drinks 3 to 4 times a week, ideally on an empty stomach. Small habits create big health changes. Start your day clean and full of energy. If you found this helpful, like and share so more people can enjoy better health.